Even as the three Karnataka ministers caught watching pornography while in the House was in session show zero remorse, a political fight has broken out. The Congress has now questioned why the ruling party has not expelled the Pongate trio. A red-faced Bharatiya Janata Party now assures action.
They shamed the House by watching a pornographic clip in the middle of an assembly session. The Pongate trio, facing the brunt of their act, as the man who first supported them now seems to have changed his mind.
We want to keep up the dignity and decorum of this Vidhan Mandala and all that. For that reason, we accepted the request of the opposition to form a House committee.
The Karnataka Chief Minister doing a complete U-turn from his earlier stand.
There's a lot of criticism that no one has really apologized for what happened.
Why should we? Why should we?
As the pressure mounted,
the BJP has any sense of morality or decency, they should definitely see that they are expelled from the party.
not just the opposition, even the BJP slamming the minister's disgusting act.
We are not here as a party supporting anybody commodifying women. We've also very clearly said, much before the morning session commenced, the ministers were they're submitting their resignation, which was even passed on to the governor straight away.
Perhaps the Chief Minister was not clear on his stand, as the man widely known to be his mentor, B.S. Yediyurappa, reportedly backs the tainted trio.
So there is a word that the three ministers are from your camp, they are your loyalists.
All of my loyalists, all 141.
But with growing outrage over the issue from several quarters,
the House has to decide about their members. There is no other institution which can take the decision. Every member of assembly is subject to the discipline of their own house.
But to have these men who are actually doing it on our time, doing it on our time and at our expense, we are paying them to perform a certain job in the assembly. What they're doing is symptomatic of a very sick society, and this man clearly needs help.
will the BJP now take the strongest possible action against these remorseless men?
The opposition will now step up the offensive, asking for their expulsion from the Legislative Assembly, and also they're asking for the Speaker's resignation. On the other side, the three MLAs of the BJP will now chalk out their strategy as to what plausible explanation can they give to the House Committee and to the Speaker about their act. Dhanya Rajendran in Bangalore for Times Now.